Look at these examples. What do you notice? Example 1. He has 3 cars and a villa. He must be rich. Number 2. Tamer can't be in Paris. I saw him this morning. Number 3. He is not here today. He may be ill. Number 4. Ali is a teacher of English. He must have been clever at English. Number 5. Here is his mobile. He can't have left it in his room. Number 6. I can't find my bag. I may have left it at home. What do you notice? What I notice from example 1, 2, and 3, that these sentences are talk about present events, so that he used the modal verbs must, can't, and may plus infinitive. But in the other examples, which express about past events, he used must, can't, and may have plus past participle. So these modal verbs, we can use them to express possibility and deduction in present and in past. Let's go to what we noticed. We noticed we can use some modal verbs to express present and the past deductions and possibilities. We can use must in different ways, but in this course we want to know how to use must for expressing deduction. We use it to make strong deduction in the present and also in the past. So let's go to this point. Positive strong deduction. In the first example here, he has 3 cars and a villa. He must be rich. I feel sure that he is rich, but it's not a fact. I know he has 3 cars and a villa, and this costs a lot of money. So I deduced that he must be rich. I feel sure that he is rich. And in second example, you must speak good English if you have lived in America for 10 years. Here the speaker has lived in America for 10 years. So I deduced that you must speak English well. I feel sure that you speak English well. In these two sentences, we use must plus infinitive to express strong deduction in the present. But let's look to these sentences. Ali is a teacher of English. He must have been clever at English. Ali is now a teacher of English. So I deduced that he was clever at English in the past. In this example, I used must have plus past participle to make strong deduction in the past. And in the second example, Minna looks very happy. She must have passed her exams. In this example, I feel sure that Minna had passed her exams. So we use must have plus past participle to express that deduction is in the past. We can use some words and expression that express strong deduction, such as I'm sure, I'm certain, I feel sure, certainly, surely, definitely, it's definite. But look at these two sentences. Compare these two sentences. He must be rich, and he is rich. He must be rich. I deduce that he is rich. But in the second example, he is rich. I know that it's a fact that he is really rich. Look here. We can use can't to make negative strong deduction in the present and also in the past. Example 1. He has 3 cars and a villa. He can't be poor. I feel sure that he had 3 cars and a villa and that cost a lot of money, so I feel sure he isn't poor. In the second example, Tamer can't be in Paris. I saw him this morning. Yeah, I feel sure that he is here. I saw him this morning, so I feel sure that he can't be in Paris. He is here. So we use can't plus infinitive to make negative strong deduction in the present. And in these examples, we use it to make negative strong deduction in the past. Example 1. Here is his mobile. He can't have left it in his room. The second example. Fatima was upset yesterday. She can't have passed her tests. In the first example, here is his mobile. So, I deduced that he can't have left it in his room. And in the second example, Fatima looked upset yesterday. I deduced that she can't have passed her test. And we can use the words and the expression that express strong deduction in both must and can't. But we note that we can use can't, have, plus past participle to make negative strong deduction in the past. Let's go to another point. Positive possibilities in the present and in the past. But here we can use these modal verbs may, might, and could with no difference. We can use them to make possibilities in the present if we put infinitive after them. In this example, he may or might or could a tourist because he has an English guidebook. He has an English guidebook, so it's possible that he is a tourist. I don't feel sure that he is a tourist. In the second example, he is not here today. He may be ill. I don't feel sure he is ill. It's possible he is ill because he isn't here today. But notes may plus P equals modal verbs plus P and may be one word. It's an adverb. So we can use may or might or could plus infinitive for possibilities in the present. This example. We haven't heard from him for 14 years. He may, might, or could have died. It's possible he is alive or he dies. I don't feel sure he's alive. In the second example, I can't find my bag. I may have left at home. It's possible I left it at home. I don't feel sure that I left it at home. In these two examples, we use may, might, or could plus have plus past participle to make a weak deduction in the past and to express possibilities in past. We can use these modal verbs may and might to express possibilities in negative. There is no way to use could here. In this example, He then may not or might not remember you. He hasn't seen you for ages. So it's possible that he doesn't see you for ages. We can use may or might not plus infinitive to express negative possibilities in the present, and we can use may or might not have plus past participle to express weak deduction and the possibilities in the past. As it's mentioned in this example, your mother didn't call me by name. She may not or might not have remembered me. Oh, it's possible that she didn't remember me. Can use these words and expression to express possibilities. Possible. I am not sure. I am not certain. It's possible. Perhaps, maybe, likely, I don't think, I don't know, I don't believe. We can use may, might, or could for specific possibilities, but we can use can for general possibilities, for many people, in many places, and many times. In this example, it can take 2 hours to get to the airport in the traffic pits. This is not specific for one person, but we can use it for many people. Notes. Number 1. We can use could have plus past participle to express about the possibility of doing something, but we don't do it. Example. Ali could have visited his friend, but he stayed at home. Number 2. We can use couldn't have plus past participle to express that it's impossible to do something. Example, Rami couldn't have caught the pass. It doesn't run on Saturday. Number 3. To make a continuous deduction in the present, we use modal verbs plus be plus verb ing. Example, he is making a lot of noise. He must be making something. 4. To make a continuous deduction in the past, we use modal verbs plus have been plus verb ing. Example, there were clothes everywhere. She must have been doing the ironing. Number 5. We use should or shouldn't plus have plus past participle to blame on something happened in the past. Example, you should have arrived a bit earlier. The manager was very angry. You shouldn't have arrived late. The manager was very angry. I will let you with this small quiz. Choose the correct answer.